Hi everybody, it's Kelly from Collage-Lab, and I've got some mixed media March minis for you. Today I pulled out one of my jelly plates and I'm just putting down a thin layer of black paint. I'm going to create an actual kind of collage right on the jelly plate. And I decided I'm just going to use text. So black and white text from a magazine and just lay it down on the plate. I'm not really doing much planning. We'll see how things turn out, overlapping. And just give it a quick rub. And then pull your magazine pages off. Some will work, some won't. Some are just pulling all the ink off, so that's not working real well. Anyhow, I'm going to let the black dry. I'll put another coat of paint and try to pull that print. All right, I'm just going to add a little pink to my plate. Roll out a thin layer. And then I just have plain copier paper that I've cut to size. This is my 5x7 gel plate. Place the paper down and rub it all around. And then I'm just going to wait a minute for that to dry. All right, it's just been a minute, and we'll see how this pulls. Not so great. I did get a bit of that text transferring, so I'm going to go ahead and give it another try. I'd like this to be kind of grungy, so I'm just going to leave that pink on the plate. Put down another thin layer of black. And again, I'm going to place some of my black and white text face down on the plate. Give it a quick rub. and just make sure that the paper does come in full contact with the paint. And then I will pull these up. Some of these are coming out good, and some not so good. Well, yeah, not much good is coming of this. I'll go ahead and see what comes of it as I pull a print, but I think what I'm going to end up doing is creating a collage from bits and pieces of these prints. It is extremely humid here today, and that always affects my ability to have success with image transfers on the gel plate. But this is what I had on the calendar for today's March Mini, so I'm going to give it my best shot. I'm going to let this dry on the plate for a few minutes, hopefully pull up all of the paint and the little bit of image transfer that I might have. All right, let's see if we have a little bit better success this time. Some of these transferred fairly well. I kind of like that. All right, I'm going to try one more shot at it. And you can use images, you can use whatever you'd like. The other way we could approach this would be just to make different marks in different areas of the gel plate, and as you pull, you're going to have a collage of textures or marks, that sort of thing. All right, so I've got just a little bit more text that I'm going to put face down on the plate. Give it a good rub. Okay, quick rub, and then I will pull the magazine pages off. And nothing transferred there. And nothing, a whole lot of nothing today, you guys. This is why it is truly an experiment every time we do this. Wow. I got a plate full of nothing there. All right, one final pull, and we'll see if we have any success here. Yeah, not a lot going on. All right, time for plan B. time for plan B. All right, since image transfers are not really cooperating with me today, I'm going to take a different approach, and I'm just going to grab some tools. I've got a thin layer of black, and what I'm going to do is create a variety of marks on the plate. This is just a pencil eraser. Totally winging it here, you guys. Back end of a paintbrush. This paint's drying rather quickly now. So let's just get some marks down quickly. And that appears to be pretty dry. So let me put down, let's see, another color. Green gold. And we will let that dry and move on. All right, one final pull. This one with a variety of marks. And so we've got this very faint one. Purple one turned out okay. And the pink one. So I'm going to take these papers that I've created and put them together on my little index card divider for today's Mixed Media March Mini. All right, I'm going to stick with, I think, the ones that worked the best and just create a little abstract collage with these image transfer typography pieces. You know, the good news is that I didn't really want this type to be legible. So let's just go with that. I'll play around with those pieces and glue something down. I do like how the purples turned out very much. Trim this just a bit. Got some white. Put that one at an angle, because why not? So here we go. A little mini abstract March mini today, using the gel plate and some not so great image transfers.